I'm Dr. Dheera, a urogynecologist. Thank you so much, doctor, for your time and this interaction. I'm Namita Jain, a wellness professional and a wellness author. Doctor, as a urogynecologist, you have many patients coming to you. What is their most common concern?
Right. First, thank you, Dr. Namita, for
Thank
having
you.
me. The most common problems that women often come to us are problems of incontinence, that is the involuntary leakage of urine. Among this, there are several types, but a very common subtype is the stress urinary incontinence, where there is involuntary leakage of urine when women cough, sneeze, laugh, exercise, and it is fairly common and is very underspoken and undertreated. Also because patients don't come up with their problems. Very often they think that due to the lack of awareness that there are treatment options available, or due to embarrassment, or just sometimes due to fear of surgery, they don't come up and speak of their problems.
Doctor, is this age specific, or even young people women can get this concern?
Right. It's most often seen in the middle-aged and older women.
Yes.
More so you can say when post-childbirth, because then there's been damage to the pelvic floor muscles.
Yes.
Post-childbirth and post-menopause, it's seen mainly.
Okay. Does exercise play a role in strengthening the pelvic floor muscles, exercises such as Kegel and so on?
Right, definitely.
Yeah.
Kegels is a very important part.
Yeah.
It forms a backbone of the treatment of the conservative management of
Yes.
stress urinary incontinence. And Kegels should actually become a way of life for all women, especially post-childbirth. Yeah.
So when ideally should women start doing Kegel exercises or strengthening their pelvic floor muscles?
You can start strengthening your pelvic floor muscles at the earliest.
Yes.
Even when young women visit the gym, you should always tighten your pelvic floor muscles while even lifting the weights. And especially after childbirth or post-menopause, we know that there has been damage to the elasticity of the muscles. So then the Kegels exercise should actually become a way of life. Nowadays, we even see that post-childbirth, the physiotherapists or we as urogynecologists even visit the postpartum women and teach them Kegels
Yes.
exercises so that they continue it every day. It should be a part of your way of life.
So for all those people who are hesitating to address this issue, what is your message that you would like to give to the viewers?
Right. I would like to tell them that it is fairly common. There is no need of being embarrassed of urinary symptoms, and that there are treatment options available. We have conservative management, we have the surgical option, but that is always secondary. We don't always, unless it's really severe. So what I would tell them is come and speak about your problems and seek the treatment because it's available.
Thank you so much, Dr. Dheera, for your time and this very useful interaction.
Thank you so much, Dr. Namita, once again for having me.